Hakasiba arja katayo kata kalai potrik naila aja arpu umentri rangba ke jalau konet kisama ulong ba kajing penbej naga benta Jingiakren Yusuk bat Seng Hnlc kadang ya chakman. Ulong rubana kaliang ke Sorkar ka Pyrshang kat bala ban Pynstet ya kene kakam da ka babenrap bakam dei kakam ka basuk kumta don kam ya kajing shim khia bar kajing ai jing mut jong baro.
See, this is a process. We have to understand that things don't happen immediately. There are a lot of concerns from all sides, and which are very genuine, of course. And therefore, we need to take all those concerns into mind, and then take the talks forward. So things are on track. We are moving in the right direction, and we will try to, to speed up the process as much as possible. But as I said, we need to also realize that this is a complicated process, and we need to take everybody into confidence, build up the confidence as we move along. But as I said, things have been initiated, and I'm very sure and very confident that we will be able to take this discussion also to its logical conclusion.